Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shay.
I'm Tyler.
My husband Tyler. And I am in my 30s, spending under 30 on basically every platform except for Poshmark, which I am spending under 30 on there. You can find me there. Before we get into this video, which I'm sure you know what it is, but by the title, I did want to continue with what we were saying in the last video. We are going to continue to share resources for the Black Lives Matter movement. One of the things I think is super important is education. I think we all are still learning and we need to keep learning and listening. So with that said, I'm going to be leaving a list down below of documentaries that really highlight the injustices that have been going on in our society for a long time before this movement happened. And if we don't speak up and we don't use our voice, it could happen for a long time after. And we want to make sure that that stops. So I think education is a first step. So I'm going to leave that list below. It is very comprehensive. It gives you a lot of great resources. We're definitely going to be using it, and I hope that you guys check it out. But as we had said before, we do believe in levity and giving yourself a chance to be happy even while this is going on. So we are going to share with you something that brings me joy, and it is unboxing a St. John haul. So if you guys have been watching my videos or my Instagram, you know that I've had this for a very long time. I received this haul probably a month ago.
During quarantine. So it's been since the state was
We're still in partial quarantine, but I had gotten this from somebody in a live thrift group. If you don't know what that is, I do have a video about that. You can go back a little bit and see what live thrifts are. But I reached out to someone and thanked them for something I got from a live thrift, and it was a St. John item. And she had said, do you like selling St. John? Because I don't. So do you want to buy all my St. John items? And
basically.
And we went through all of her stuff through Messenger and decided, yeah, we want to buy it all. There are some flaws, but my lovely husband, Tyler, will be helping me fix them because that's his jam and that's what he's good at.
Yeah, despite my appearance, I actually can sew somewhat.
Yes, so we're going to be going through these, showing you what we have. A few of the items are listed, not all, because again, there are flaws we do need to fix. And I will also leave down below this Posher's closet. I believe it's Grace Loves Couture, but I don't want to, I think the spelling is a little bit different, so I don't want to mess that up. But it's going to be down below so you can check her out. She's awesome. And she even left a little note on the box that said, "The Spectacular Shay," which just made my day. I just noticed it now and just put a smile on my face.
Well, as with everything, I'm the one that opens all the boxes.
That is very true.
It's kind of now a running joke.
Yeah, it is. So this is the box. And we should preface by saying, because you said that, we have gotten comments about the fact that my husband does not allow me to use scissors. Of course that is a joke. Of course he's not forbidding me from using scissors in any way, shape, or form. But we do tease each other, and if you've known me in real life, scissors and knives, I use them strangely, to say the least. I mean, don't say anything that YouTube won't enjoy, but if you've ever seen any horror films, I could be a leading character.
Yeah, there's a oddly forceful intent behind your movement.
Yes.
It is about the most polite way I can describe your use of any kind of cutting implement?
Yeah, so we have chosen to not showcase that on YouTube to save myself from the comments. So my husband is really protecting me, just in case you needed to know. But anyway, let's get into this.
First item is a two-piece item. It's a Santana knit coral pink salmon color.
So this is the tag. So if you guys are familiar with St. John at all, you know that there are many different tags, and you will see quite a few of them in this haul.
Skirt combo.
It's a skirt combo. It's wicked cute. I will say that with St. John, Santana knit is really what you want to find. That is what's going to sell the most. But there are also a lot of flaws that come with Santana knit. So this skirt is a great way to start that conversation.
So we've actually sold this exact skirt before.
Yes, we have.
Which is St. John collection. We found it.
Oh, we're not giving sizes. My bad. So this skirt is actually a St. John collection size 8. This has no flaws on it, but he will explain to you how the first one did, in fact, have flaws.
Yes. This is a medium and a size 6, respectively, for the skirt. So the first one we found looks like it was run over by a lawnmower or hit with a weed whacker.
Yes.
We did.
Get us at bins.
We did get it at the bins for like $1.
Yeah, something like that. Actually, that was the by the pound, so it's probably even less than that.
Less than $1.
Yeah.
But she didn't want to buy it because it was so damaged, and I said, "It's St. John though. It's $1. We'll be fine. Like even if it's just scrap material, it's $1. Who cares?" And somebody did buy it. They weren't particularly happy because it was so damaged, but
yes, we will try to share with you a photo if we can find it. It is a little bit older item, so I'm not 100% sure, but yeah, it was pretty damaged, so I'm happy to have one that's not.
So this is a pair of pants, St. John
pants.
size 4.
Now, if you're out at the thrift store and you're looking for St. John items, I wouldn't necessarily recommend grabbing pants. I grabbed it because it's part of a haul, and the cost per item is a little bit less when you're doing that. But in the thrift store, I really recommend sticking with the cardigans, the long ones, when you're first starting out.
The Santana knit cardigans, they seem to go for a decent amount.
Yeah, they seem to be the best. I mean, other things will still sell, but if you're starting out with St. John, that's where I would start.
So this is another 2-piece St. John. That's
this
a large.
color is beautiful. If you guys know anyone who loves purple, they are very passionate about their love. So I think this will do well.
It's a light purple too.
I think that is one of the ones that have a flaw though.
So this is a size 4 skirt. So it might not actually.
Yeah, and this one is a size large top. I mean,
So
it does go together, but
it's the same color. There is a slight flaw, which I'm very confident I can close with minimal visibility.
right.
That one has not been listed because I am lazy and don't like sewing.
That's true. This is one of the better St. John tags. It's St. John Couture. That one's actually really difficult for y'all to see, but it is very shiny. I want to see if you can see. Oh yeah, you can see the shine.
It's sparkly.
It's very sparkly. It's very pretty. Couture is one of the more expensive, but it is a skirt, so take that with a grain of salt because skirts, they sell, but not for the high amount.
This is St. John Sport.
Okay,
it's
so
a linen type.
it's like a tuxedo shirt.
Yeah, basically.
Yeah, it's got like a nice, cool, like textured collar. St. John Sport. So St. John Sport is the lowest end line. You are not going to sell it for a lot. But a funny story that we had was we sold a St. John Sport item on eBay for like $20-$30, somewhere around there. And the person purchased it, and then right after I accepted her offer, she came back and bought a St. John collection item for like $70 or something like that.
Yeah.
So definitely the people who enjoy St. John are still going to enjoy all lines. So don't just shy away from it just because of the tag. If you can get it for the right price, it's worth it.
St. John size P,
which is a size 2, I believe. There is a size chart out that you can look at. This is also St. John Sport. The yellow tags are St. John Sport, just so you know, because that was new to me very recently. It's very textured. It looks like it's a cropped sweater, I believe.
Probably.
Although I am not a size 2, so, not really sure. But it's very cute.
Alrighty.
This is St. John Collection. So this is a good one. It is a cropped blazer, so they don't go for as much, but I've sold a similar one for, I believe it was $50.
It's got nice brass hardware.
Yes, very cute. They have the St. John logo on the hardware. But yeah, so I think I've sold a similar one for $50. This type of stuff does sit for a little bit longer, so be patient with that. But
I think St. John in general will sit for a while.
yeah, you're really looking for that buyer that's looking for it. If you're looking for tags to include, dog show is something I will definitely include in most of my listings because for some reason they're super popular at the dog show.
St. John Collection, another skirt, size 8.
Size 8, okay. That's my size. Should I just steal it? Steal it for myself?
You could take Maxie to the dog show.
Yeah, I could. You're right. So yeah, that's really cute. I'm realizing now that in the background you may be hearing an air conditioner. Hopefully it's not too overpowering, but it is very hot in here, so.
Yes. This is St. John Basics, size 4 skirt.
Another skirt, okay.
Quite a few skirts in here, but that's not a bad thing.
It's the season for skirts, so I am perfectly fine with that. Very cute. And we got a very good deal on this. I don't like to give out prices for things, especially considering that I'm giving the link to this person's closet, so I don't want to do that. But we did get a very good deal.
So this is a maxi skirt, and it's the not St. John item.
Yes, so this is the only item that is not St. John, although it is St. John-esque. So the feeling is very similar to Santana Knit, and I might make a mention of that somewhere in my listing. I haven't decided yet. But it is designer. It is Christian Dior. It is a size medium. It's a wool blend, so it's very cute, and I actually really like it. But she included it with the haul, just asked me if I would be interested in selling something like that. I'm like, absolutely, Dior, I'm in.
And this is your personal favorite, which you're stealing.
This is my personal favorite. I don't know if I'm stealing it yet, but it is St. John Sport. So again, as I had said before, it doesn't sell for as much, but it does have, it's hard to see because I'm on the side here, but 4th of July vibes, and it's crushed velvet. So if you watch my videos, you know I'm obsessed with crushed velvet.
It is really kind of gotten away and out of hand at this point.
It has. I don't generally buy things for myself. I do tend to enjoy, trying on items here and there, and then I feel sad when I can't have them.
Yep.
So.
And this is the final thing, which is another 2-piece. It's a piece de resistance.
It's like saving the best for last, and I don't even think we intended to do that.
I did, 100%.
Oh.
So this is St. John cashmere.
Now, we have not sold this line of St. John yet. However, I don't think we're going to have a problem.
Well, cashmere is cashmere, and that's the most expensive wool that you can buy, basically.
Yeah, and the color, can we talk about the color?
Sky blue teal.
This is like a teal. This is a...
Powder blue teal?
Isn't teal in the green family?
I don't know.
Well,
I don't think so.
I guess let us know in the comments down below.
I'm pretty
I
sure
thought it was
teal
in the
is
green.
blue. It's blue-green.
But our couch is teal, and it's green.
It's blue-green.
Oh boy, here we go. Okay, so we're going to have a debate in the comment section. Is teal considered green or blue? But anyway.
It's outrageously soft.
It's so soft. I mean, it's hard for me to part with this because I do have an obsession with teal.
Yep.
Just as much as I do with crushed velvet. Teal is, we have a teal ceiling. You can't see it, but we have one.
Oh, I'm going to have to angle the camera up at one point.
At some point probably in one of our upcoming videos, we will show you our room that we've been filming in. But yes, we have a teal ceiling. I'm kind of obsessed. So, yeah, anyways.
She wants a 50s teal diner. My whole house is going to be teal at some point.
I do, but I don't know that they care. So, anyway, that is our St. John haul. If you found anything that you liked in that and you don't see it in my closet, spending under 30 on Poshmark, reach out to me on Instagram. It's the same name as my channel name, in my 30s, spending under 30. You can let me know. I can do things through PayPal. I can put it up on Poshmark for you. I'm on eBay. I'm on Mercari. I can do whatever you need. And I can give a good deal because I got a good deal, so I can do that. So let us know on that, and we should be back. Oh, I did want to tell you guys that we are kind of trying to stick with a schedule, Sundays and Wednesdays. We're doing our best to stick to that. Hopefully we can continue, but it seems to be what works best for us. So if you have not already, please make sure you subscribe to the channel so you're notified when we post a new video. Click the little bell so you get notified as soon as that video is up. And leave us comments. Comments let us know that you are enjoying the content, and it also lets us know how many people are coming back and joining the community.
Yep.
I try to respond to as many comments as I can, and if you message me,
it's a little bit difficult at times, but you do your best.
I do my best. So I really love hearing from you.
Yep.
And give us a like if you like this video, and we should be back very soon.
And let us know if you like or dislike selling St. John, because
it seems to be it's either you love or hate type item.
or you love to hate it.
Yeah, so let us know, because I'm curious. Are there other people out there that love it? Because I'm all about St. John. If you have St. John,
if you
don't
like
want to
selling
sell,
send it our way.
Hit up your girl.
Sell it all. We'll sell it all.
Yeah, I'm in. So
we will shamelessly sell all of it.
okay, so thank you guys so much. We will be back.